Welcome back. Ponda police have found a dead body of a youth in a mysterious condition in the lake of Safa Masjid on Sunday. However, the police have registered it as a case of unnatural death, as the post-mortem report is still awaited. The body of the deceased has been sent for a post-mortem examination in Goa Medical College. Locals demand a security guard at this archaeologically protected monument during the night.
The body of the youth was found floating in the lake on Sunday morning. Ponda police informed the name of the deceased is Abhijit Gawas. He is a resident of Kurli, Old Goa. Information also says that he was an employee of Department of Transport in Ponda. The injury marks on the body of the deceased points out foul play in the death.
पहली काय कळना कोण तो कितें तो बॉडी वयर काडटी मागीर बॉल्सांतले पुलीस आयले मागीर पंचनामा करपा लागले तेन्ना तेजे बॉल्सांतले काडलें पाकीटान तेजें लायसन्स आशिल्लें लायसन्साचें नांव कळ्ळें आनी तो खंयचो तो कळ्ळें मागीर
खंयचें नांव कितें
तेजें नांव अभिजीत गांवस
खंयसरलो
तो तिसवाडी खोल्डे.
Safa Masjid committee member Mullah Rashid informed that government has turned a blind eye towards this historical monument. There is no lighting at this site. Security guard is posted only during the daytime. The monument needs a 24-hour security.
Safa Masjid historical monument म्हणून आर्किओलॉजी ऑफ इंडिया एका मेंटेन करता. आता मेंटेन करता ते आमी पळयतात कशें मेंटेन करतात ते आमी भोगता. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणल्यार सेक्युरिटी हेजे बद्दल आमी जाय ते फावटी तांकां बरोवन धाडले. खूब फावटी आमची पावले लेटर्स पण फक्त डे टायम सेक्युरिटी मेळटा. केन्ना केन्ना तेकाय सुटी आसता तोय नासता. रातचे सेक्युरिटी कोण नासता. हें प्रकरण आतां म्हाका दिसता 3 फावटी घडलां हांगा अशेंच उदकानूच.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Sign of relief for Kolva residents. Kolva Creek will be desilted soon following the High Court's order. On the other side, SGPDA waste has again become a reason for worry for the people of Fatorda. Here is a report.
Members of Kolva Civic and Consumer Forum, along with the officials of Water Resource Department, inspected the Kolva Creek. The inspection was carried out after the High Court ordered desilting of the creek in January 2012. Convener of Forum, Judith Almeida, said that people in the vicinity still dump waste in the creek. She has appealed to cooperate with the desilting work. Kolva Civic and Consumer Forum filed a PIL before the High Court seeking its intervention.
Still garbage is being dumped in the creek as well as just off the creek, which is again pouring out into the creek, emptying itself out into the creek because the excess of garbage being burned is there, but there is part of it entering into the creek. We also have observed that there are restaurants and hotel complexes which are a distance away from the creek, but a part of the creek have been releasing their sewage, raw sewage, as we saw just now, that there was raw sewage being released through pipes into this nala.
Meanwhile, burning of thermocol waste belonging to SGPDA market still continues. Have a look at this. This waste is dumped in Sovot area in Fatorda. Locals claim that this waste is burnt late night, but they refuse to speak on camera. When we met the SGPDA member secretary, Rajesh Naik, he refused to comment. But off the record, he informed us that he has already warned the Sopo collector not to dump the waste. Earlier, SGPDA member secretary, in an affidavit before the High Court, had stated that waste was scientifically treated. A reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
Tech Twister, a national technical event, was held by the Sri Rayeshwar Institute of Engineering and Information Technology College. The event got a very good response from the state colleges.
Various events were held in a 2-day national technical event held at Sri Rayeshwar Institute of Engineering and Information Technology College. Gaming, technical projects and much more. The event fetched a good response.
Twister is basically a technical event. It aims to see the technical qualities between people, understands and make people give a platform to the people so they can experience and furnish their technical skills. This time we have many gaming events. We got PlayStation 3, which is a purely new event, not been organized by many colleges in Goa also. CS a livestock of any gaming event, any event maybe. Now we have many other events, technical and non-technical. We got poster designing, then we got chaos.
A lecture on protect yourself against cybercrime was also a part of this event.
See, these are the profiles of cyber criminals. We have given the 6 profiles. Number 1 is the disgruntled employees. Second, the teenagers, political activists, professional hackers, business rivals, ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, स्कूल कॉलेजमध्ये जे आहेत ते किंवा डिवोर्सचे हजबंड आणि डिवोर्सची वाईफ हे जे 7 गट आहेत these are the categories who are involved in computer crimes.
A reporter from Shiroda, Vivek Prabhu.
Let's have a look at other political events in the state.
Independent candidate from Fatorda, Vijay Sardesai's poll campaign is in full swing. Door-to-door campaign and candlelight rallies. Vijay has not left a single stone unturned in his campaign. He is accompanied by the huge crowd of supporters. Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit was in the state as a part of the election campaign. The Delhi Chief Minister addressed a meeting in the constituency of Chief Minister of the state Digambar Kamath. She appealed Goans to elect secular Congress for development and progress.
That it is not enough to talk about corruption. We have to fight it and we have to do something about it. And I can assure you, the Congress is determined to do that. Congress party has tried to win them all over and tried to represent all their aspirations at all times.
Kurtori independent candidate Dominic Gaonkar inaugurated his office in Kurtori. Dominic is confident that he will win in Kurtori. He also informed us that he is getting good response from his supporters and masses.
रिस्पॉन्स एकदम बरो आसा आनी म्हाका आमगे सपोर्टरां वयर वोटर्सां वयर म्हाका एकदम कॉन्फिडन्स आहा लोक म्हाका जिखून हाडटलो म्हणून.
Congress candidate from Madgai, Ritesh Naik, held a corner meeting in Madgai constituency. All Goa Private Bus Owners Association President Sudeep Tamankar has forwarded his support to Ritesh. Ritesh claims that there is no development and planning in Madgai for the past many years.
भोवताच्या प्रमाणे काय विजन ना प्लॅनिंग ना कांयच ना आमदारान म्हळ्यार कितें विजन आसता प्लॅनिंग आसता कितें करतलो कशें करतलो हांगा बेकारी आसा हांगा महिला आसा तेमकां कशें वयर काडपाचें तेमकां आपल्या पांयार कशें उबें करपाचें आतां प्लॅनिंग ना कांयच ना अशें कितें म्हाका आतां कितें वायट दिसता की इतलें की हांगा अशें चल्लां म्हणून मडके मतदारसंघात आनी आमी फोंड्या कंपेर केलें आमी फोंड्या भोंवता 5 वर्सां हांव सुद्दां भोंवला थंय महिलाचे पयल्या युथाचे ते कशें आसा आनी हांगा कशें आसा खूब फरक आसा.
Churchill Alemao is confident of Congress winning the election with a thumping majority. He claims that Congress will be elected with a clear majority of 23 seats.
सीएम जावपाची गजाल पळय म्हणटा ती हायकमांड कोण सीएम केलो ते बरें आसतले पूण जे पळय कोण बरें जाता 10 जाणां पावता 10 जाणां घोड पावता एकवटान वता तेंकां हांव सांगूंक सोदतां 23 सिटां तेज्या वयर तेज्या सकरान काँग्रेस जिखता.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.